This is a presentation of the Document Asset Inventory software for the Acquired Asset Management Division.
Introduction. This is a web-based software designed to record digitized versions of physically existing documents for easier retrieval. This also helps in the physical preservation of hard copies. There are two operation modes. First is forward tracking, which is the digitization and registration of new documents and assets. The second mode is backtracking, which is digitization and registration of existing documents and assets. Documents should be in PDF format in order to be displayed by the software. And, the document should be on a linkable document management system like Google Drive or local network drive.
Software activities. We will be discussing the different activities related with the software. First, digitization of existing documents. This is the activity where the physical document is digitized using a document scanner and saved as PDF. Next is registration of the boxes, envelopes in the boxes and folders in the envelopes. This involves registering the whole library organization of the documents in the software. Next activity is registration of assets, wherein all the assets are encoded in the software. Once the library organization and all assets are registered, we can now proceed with the registration of the digitized documents in the registered folders. For new documents like incoming documents, we have the registration of document. Since this is a new document, it is not yet assigned to a specific folder for filing. In cases where there is a cover letter and attachment, the cover letter will be a different document from the attachment. A use case for this is a cover letter forwarding the attached titles and deed of assignments. The cover letter will be a different document, also each title and each DOA. We can also relate document as incoming and outgoing. A use case will be an outgoing document as a reply to a previously received letter. Aside from the documents being related to other documents, the software can also record the assets related to the document. This will enable the AAMD to identify assets related to a document and eventually, documents related to an asset. We can also relate the documents to a specific case, like the asset. We will then have the ability to easily find documents related to a case. We also have the function for adding comments, updates or notes to a document. Since new documents are not yet filed, the software can record the folder location where the physical document will be filed or archived. This is the procedure for digitizing the existing library of documents. First is scanning to PDF using a digitizer. Next is copying or uploading to a document management software. There will be cases where Google Drive, which is only 15 GB, will not be enough to store all the digitized documents. It is recommended to either split it to multiple Google Drive accounts or create a local network folder. Next is the digitization of the library, which includes the registration of boxes, the registration of envelopes, and the registration of folders. Once the library organization is digitized, we can now proceed with the registration of documents. Once all the documents are registered, we can now do the printing of labels for folders, envelopes, and boxes, which shows the actual contents of the library. There are additional functionalities that will be available soon. These include the adding of status updates, notes or comments to case records, and adding status updates, notes or comments to assets. Thank you and have a great day. Please subscribe to No Noon Break channel for more tutorials and training videos.